economist. Okay, so going back to Osama, I have been getting a lot of questions about this, about the token costs and versus the hiring of coders. Guys, there's a couple of things that you have to be aware of here. One, have you guys ever worked with coders in a business environment? They're terrible. They are terrible, boring people. So guys, trust me on this, and I will die on this hill. Nobody in the business world is fighting to keep coders. They are happy to throw them out. Trust me, no one's fighting to keep the weird guys in the back that wear funny t-shirts. Nobody is fighting for them. Right? So that's the first thing you gotta any reason or any even like they'll get rid of their coders even over a $10 savings, right? Like they're still winning, right? So that's the first thing to keep in mind. Second thing to keep in mind is that I do not buy the notion that tokens are expensive. They're not. They're not expensive, guys. All of Wikipedia is 7 billion tokens. You can process all of Wikipedia for like $300 on Codex. You can't get a developer for $300, right? So the savings are 100% there. If you have an influencer that keeps on talking about that, about, oh, CS will be fine because the tokens, unfollow that person. That person is dumb. They haven't taken the time to sit down and do basic math. So be very careful. Be very careful with that. And also, I mean, another thing that gets ignored is that tokens will become cheaper in the future, right? Tokens will become cheaper. And a lot of times when people say these things, they assume that you have to use the latest and greatest model, and you don't. Right now, you can go on my YouTube channel, you can see the instruction that I have done in my Sunday series. I have like 40 hours of instruction that I did with some of you guys. Some of you guys were there, casual economists. I know you were there, right? I have like 40 hours of instruction. There's maybe like 3 times in those 40 hours when it made mistakes. That's it. And we wrote hundreds and hundreds, thousands of lines of code, and we got 3 mistakes. And we were doing that with ChatGPT 4.0. 4.0. Do you know how cheap the tokens are for 4.0 right now? You could do the 7 billion, all of Wikipedia